Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a business playlist or how to make a video playlist in your business meta suite or your Facebook page. Okay, so firstly you have to log into your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. After login or after switching your Facebook page, you have to click on this meta business suite. Click on this. Then you have to go to content, this option, the third one. Then you will find here playlist. Click on playlist. Before you go to playlist, make sure you have uploaded videos in your page. Okay, you cannot upload video in your playlist. You have to upload videos first from your page, then it will be, you can make playlist with that videos. Okay, so you have to go to playlist, then click on create playlist, reel playlist or video playlist, choose any one. Then you have to write the title if you want to add any. Then you have to description, add your description, and you can add any cover image like this. Now if you click on next, you can see that no content found or no video found. That's mean in your page there is no video. If there is no video, you cannot add any playlist. If you already uploaded some video in your page, then it will be showing here. Then you have to select this one and you have to just click on publish playlist, and that's all. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.